tired of your marketing messages disappearing into the digital void? Let's fix that. Today, we're diving into how to create a killer campaign in Aisensy to maximize your reach and boost conversions. First, log into your Aisensy account. On your dashboard, look for the Campaigns tab, usually located on the left-hand navigation bar. Click on it to access the campaign management area. Once you're in the campaign section, find and click the Create Campaign button. This will open a new window or a pop-up where you can start configuring your campaign settings. Now, give your campaign a descriptive name, something that will help you easily identify it later. Next, define your target audience. Aisensy allows you to segment your audience based on various criteria like demographics, behavior, and purchase history. Select the segment that best fits your campaign goals. It's time to craft your message. Aisensy provides a rich text editor where you can add compelling text, images, videos, and even interactive elements like buttons and quick replies. Make sure your message is clear, concise, and includes a strong call to action. Next, schedule your campaign. Choose the date and time you want your message to be sent out. Consider your audience's time zone and online behavior to optimize for maximum engagement. You can choose to send it immediately or schedule for a later time. Before launching, review your campaign, check the content for errors, ensure the audience segment is correct, and verify the scheduling. Preview how your message will look on different devices to ensure optimal display. Once you're satisfied, click the Launch Campaign button. Congratulations, your campaign is now live. Aisensy provides detailed analytics so you can track its performance, monitor engagement, and make data-driven adjustments to improve future campaigns. Keep an eye on those metrics and optimize for even better results. Happy marketing!